Well, guys, we made it out. Kind of had to keep the interview short here because we were kind of cutting time. Birds are rolling through, but yeah, got the spread up behind me. Like I said, the wind is coming right down the pipe at us, so we're gonna see. Hopefully, some of these birds just come from behind us and center up. So, running out of an A-frame there. Got an absolute mega spread out here. Like I said, Trevor brought 5 or 6 dozen. I had like 6 or 7 dozen. So we got a fat spread out here. So a lot of the birds are feeding right now. In the mornings, they're going on the other side of the farm, but the afternoon should pick up and be a little bit better. So let's get into it.
Single coming over good. Right out front.
Daryl, get him.
Kill him. Nice.
Beautiful.
Now that one's quad, man.
You ready, buddy? Yeah. Take that one. Beautiful.
Good shot, whoever got it. Right over.
Kill him.
That one. Kill him. Kill him.
Beautiful.
Oh, nice.
Oh, right here, right here.
Another one.
Yep, just sit down, they might come. Hey, right here, right side. GoPro start. Oh, you're recording.
Right in front. Somebody killed that. Whoever got it.
All right, there's a bunch of birds gonna be behind us. Just
Oh, single.
should we let them in? Let them in. We're gonna see what happens here. Oh fuck! Here we go.
Oh, here we go, guys.
Kill him. Okay, load up. Good shooting. Yeah, we got a bunch there. That was a good group. Load up, be ready. Right side, left side too. Just load up.
Big pod, big pod.
I don't know if I want to yet. Is this too big?
Dude, look to your right.
Yeah, I know. Right above us, guys. Don't move. Oh. Should we take one if we get down here?
Kill this first pod.
Let them get in.
That's it.
Go. Wow.
Oh, they're coming back.
Load up. Ready, go. There we go, boys. There we go. Load up. Coming back.
Nice.
That's a good group.
That was awesome, guys. We just smoked like 10. Yep. Whoo, that barrel's
Damn, mine's hot, dude. It's
I
cooking.
love it. This thing will cook bacon right now. Yep. Here's a single out.
Yep, right here. Someone kill him.
That single.
Kill him.
Kill that single.
Let him up.
Hey, kill him. Up. In the decoys. Okay. Oh. I never did feed him one.
Hold on.
Sorry, guys. Dude, I thought you.
Oh, right here. Big group. Just get loaded. Don't move. They'll spin. They will spin.
I didn't have my two.
They'll spin. Let this one down. Hold on. This twist or no?
Yeah, right there.
Kill him. Okay, load up. Here we go, boys. Keep it still. We get 2 or 3 in here, we'll go. Oh yeah. Right here, low right.
Right out front. We gotta kill him.
Shoot those 3. Good shot. Yep. Hold it. Right up front. Shoot him. Kill him up. Oh shit.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, my bad.
Hold on. Here comes some.
Shoot those.
Nice.
Oh, nice shot, Randy. Good shot. Get in. Yep. Big group. Hold on. Big group right here. Let them down. This spin, guys, these bottoms. Shoot them. Good shooting. Load up. Sit down, load up. Should pop that boy. Ah, I had to try.
I was still trying to.
I had to try.
I'm still trying to put my hands fill with my pouch.
You guys bust that one? Go. There you go. I'm just getting fucking pelted over here. Ready on these floor. Get him. Nice shoot. Wait, right here. Don't move. Don't. Right here. Don't move. Oh, nice. Oh, my shells. Right here. Right here. Should we get him? They're gonna sit. Oh yeah. Shoot these. Shoot these three. Coming back. Hold on. Hold on. There. Nice shot. Wow. Good shooting, guys.
Put me under the pressure.
You want to bang these two in the air? Right? Kill them. God, what is going on? I suck.
No, he got hit hard. Yeah. He's gonna.
Hey,
He's hit hard enough.
good lord.
Hit him, shoot him again.
Yeah.
Well, guys, about 8:30 right now. Trevor's out picking up some birds. Been some phenomenal shooting. We weren't gonna dig into a lot of those bigger flocks, but they gave it up so perfect. I mean, you got to shoot some of them. So we did get 2 or 3 passes on each flock, so it worked out. But you know, like I said, it's 8:30. I'd say we got 40 to 50 down, rough count. We've lost quite a few just in this tall grass, so it's going good. I was here yesterday about 3 o'clock, and there was about 400 pigeons right on this flat. Like I said, this morning they were feeding down away from us, so we were just pulling off of those flocks. But I think this afternoon, once the midday lull kind of ends, we're gonna get into some good, you know, 2s, 3s, 4s and stuff like that. So, but the wind's kind of staying cross from us, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna pick up a couple birds, maybe grab a snack, and get in. And then, yeah, probably around noon, 1 o'clock, I think it'll pick back up. So
He already sat down once. Okay. Wait till these ones swing and we'll shoot these.
should we shoot these?
Yeah, kill these 2.
Kill these 2. Just load up. Yeah, I shouldn't have shot there.
Oh, yeah. Who's back up? Randy? Randy.
Kill him.
Kill him. Oh, yeah.
That's right in the decoy.
Ha! Ha! Get him. Nice. Good job.
I didn't want to blow up your decoy.
Oh, another one.
I see.
Oh,
I see.
killed the
Oh,
other.
There's
one's
one
a
here, though.
pigeon.
Okay, there's a pigeon up.
One's a killdeer, one's a pigeon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Call.
They got a parachuter over
I
there.
think, well, there's an office up there, but
You might be able to.
I've thought about
I got. I'll just go on the fucking corn.
go over there. No bean leaves this time?
No, I have some.
I got TP if you need some, but
We
Do
were
you
out-
have some with you?
Yeah.
I have some in my truck.
We were out.
I might snag
Here you
that
go.
from you.
We were out in the wheat field. This is probably 3-4 years ago, and we had nothing. And Buddy had to use some bean leaves.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
better than his fingers.
This is all of us. This
Three. Yep.
Kill him off.
Kill him there. Oh. Wait on it. He's hit. I went click.
Did you? Oh.
Yeah, I think this one's all black.
That one came fucking down. Oh, nice. This is you guys. Okay.
Shoot him. Oh, okay.
Kill him now.
Now kill him.
Oh.
Oh,
The first one hit him, yeah. He's good for now. Keep your eye on him.
Yeah.
Let that first one in. Should we
Yeah, kill it.
kill those 3? Oh my god, I did it again. Good lord, Erik Bauer.
Say thanks for the backup.
My fucking shelling gun. Shoot him. Nice.
Sorry.
Yep.
I just hold up.
What if I hit you?
Got a piece of him too.
Four coming from behind. All four.
Yeah, coming hot, coming hot.
Right in.
Kill him off, huh?
Shoot those. Oh, whoa, that one got out?
Yep. Yeah.
No way.
Kill him off.
Yeah. Go.
Oh, I collateral.
Hey! Kill him. Good shot, Daryl. He's good. He's good. He's good.
I just hit him.
Oh, 3-pack.
Yep, right here. Right here. Wait. Perfect.
That thing got toasted.
Good shooting, guys. That's good. Kill now. Wait, I'm gonna shoot this one. Be ready. Wait, wait. Shoot him. That's all 5, boys. We got them all.
Good.
Nice.
There you go. I got him. I hit your decoy, Eric. Sorry.
Let Trevor poke this one, and then you guys shoot the one on the ground. Go.
Kill him,
Go.
guys.
Beautiful. That's how you do it.
Double tap.
Shoot that bird.
Shoot that single. Somebody shoot that single. Right here in front of you.
Oh!
Finally got him.
Coming back.
You got one pop off at him. Real quick.
Oh, right in front. Right in front. Kill that bird. That's a nice bird.
Dragging a leg.
Oh, I'm out of shells.
He's hit.
He's going down.
I wasn't going to shoot either. And then
They're wanting to come right over us now. So we might let
Get
them.
all three or
So,
two of the three?
Just 2 came in.
I didn't even
So
see
if we do have some flocks come right over us like that, because when we're shooting, then they're getting out so fast, we might let them come in and then try to hit a secondary spin. Kill that one, Randy or Daryl. One of you. Yep. Good shot, Trevor.
I double tapped him and he did.
That bird got triple tapped.
Yeah.
Hey, Randy,
I heard you say.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
They are coming.
Okay, hold on. We might not do it right away. They will give us a look.
Oh God.
Hook. Here we go. Here we go. This spin. Let him get up. Kill him there. Kill him there. I'm out. Good shooting. Load up. Load up. Load up. What are they doing?
Oh yeah, they're dumping in.
Kill him.
That's the way to do it.
Oh, we got more. We got more.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Right side. Tell you guys whenever. Oh, yep, on the swing.
You ready on this one? Oh, come on now.
He's hit.
Oh, he's going down. He's going down, legs hanging
Nice
in.
shooting.
Nice.
Should we shoot these 4?
Yeah, I think there's 5.
Shoot the 4. Oh, hold it, hold it. Kill him. There we go, boys.
It just held out.
One more turning back.
Right in there.
Yeah, I think we should.
Okay, ready, set, go. Good shoot. That one's coming back. He's hurt.
Get him.
Kill that, Randy. There we go.
Kill him.
You guys can shoot that one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Nice.
All right, Daryl, what's your guess?
I'm going to say 210.
210. Randy?
I said 214.
214. Trevor, what was you?
He had 239.
240.
You're going 240. Going big. I'm going 228. I honestly think we're underestimating ourselves. I think it's going to be higher than that, but me and Trev just got done picking up some birds, and sorry I haven't been able to talk to you guys because it has been absolutely hot since I kind of last did the last interview. The last 4 or 5 hours has been absolutely insane. So Trev is just putting some birds together here. Gonna pack up the decoys, get a count, and it's about 5 o'clock almost, so we're gonna get out of here. We've been shooting for about 11 hours, so yeah, it was an awesome shoot. We'll get the number here and get an interview with the guys, and we'll be with you in a little bit here. All right. Well, guys, we had an awesome shoot today. We ended up with 263 in hand. So Trevor was actually closest because he was the highest number. It was phenomenal shooting from start to finish. It was kind of hot right away in the morning as usual. Kind of died off around 9 or 10. We grabbed a bite, took a little 20-30 minute break. And then the afternoon got really good, 2s and 3s. We had a bunch of flurries of big flocks, but most of it was just good decoy shooting, 4s and 5s, singles all day. It was about a 10-11 hour hunt, and was a pretty hot one today. So hope you guys enjoyed the shoot. Daryl, Randy, how you guys like it?
Loved
Good?
it.
Loved it. Awesome.
Thanks for Trevor coming up and bringing the A-frame, and hope you had fun too. Yeah, it was a great hunt. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Perfect. Get out of this dump.